So you've got a RAR file sitting on your desktop. You double-click it and boom, it's asking you for a password you either forgot or never even knew in the first place. Maybe it's an old backup from years ago. Maybe it's something you downloaded and the uploader locked it. Whatever the situation is, you're stuck staring at that little password box and you have no idea what to type in. Stick with me for the next couple of minutes because I'm going to walk you through every real method that actually works in 2026, starting with the easiest one and working up to the more technical stuff. So by the end of this, you'll know exactly which route makes sense for your situation. Let's start with the obvious one, and honestly, don't skip past this, even though it feels a little silly. Before you go downloading any software or messing with command lines, just take a minute and actually think about what password you might have used. Most people reuse the same handful of passwords for everything. So if you've got a password manager, scroll through it and try the ones you commonly use. Your birthday, an old phone number, your pet's name plus some numbers, that kind of thing. You'd be surprised how often this actually solves the problem in under 5 minutes, so try this first before anything else. If guessing didn't get you anywhere, the next thing to check is whether your password was purely numbers, because if it was, there's a neat little workaround using Notepad and the command prompt that can sometimes crack it open. It works by exploiting a quirk in how older RAR encryption handles numeric-only passwords. And while it's not guaranteed to work on every file, especially newer ones with strong AES encryption, it costs you nothing but a few minutes to try. Just search for an RAR numeric password batch script, follow the instructions carefully, and run it against your file. Keep in mind this only works for number-only passwords, so if your password had letters or symbols mixed in, this method simply won't help you. Now, if none of that panned out, you're going to want to move on to dedicated password recovery software. Programs like PassFab for RAR or Passpr for RAR are built specifically for this job, and they work by running through different attack methods. A dictionary attack that tries common words and known passwords first, a brute force attack that tries every possible combination if you genuinely remember nothing, and the mask attack that speeds things up massively if you can remember even a little detail, like the length of the password, or whether it had capital letters. Just import your locked RAR file into the software, pick your attack method, and let it run in the background while you do something else, because depending on how complex the password is, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. And if you don't want to install anything on your computer at all, there are online tools like Lost My Pass that will do the recovery for you. You just upload your file, wait for it to process, and it hands you back the password. The one thing I'll say here is be a little careful with this route, since you're uploading your file to a third-party server. So if that archive has anything sensitive or private inside it, I'd lean toward the offline software option instead, just to keep your data fully in your own hands. So that's really the full picture. Start with guessing, try the numeric trick if it applies to you, and if you're still locked out, let dedicated recovery software do the heavy lifting for you. One of these methods is going to get you back into your files. If this helped you out, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips like this one, and drop a comment if you got stuck anywhere. I read every single one and I'm happy to help. I'll see you in the next one.